Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. In a cozy little living room, the lights are shining bright, presents piled underneath. What a lovely Christmas night. Woo! But in the midst of all the cheer, something's gone astray. A little bundle of joy lets us squeaky surprise today. Oh, the baby farted under the Christmas tree. The tinsel shook and the dog ran free. With a giggle and a wiggle, what a sight to see. That little toot was the best gift of the spree. Why? Mom and Dad are laughing now, they've lost their holiday cheer. Grandma's clutching her pearls, saying, "What's that I hear?" But the baby just grins wide, like they know the game. They gave us all a little joy, and now we're all the same. Oh, the baby farted under the Christmas tree. The tinsel shook and the dog ran free. With a giggle and a wiggle, what a sight to see. That little toot was the best gift of the spree. Now every year we gather round to tell the tale once more of the cutest little culprit who started the uproar. So if you hear a little sound this holiday season, cheer. Just look around and smile big, it's the best time of the year. Oh, the baby farted under the Christmas tree. The tinsel shook and the dog ran free. With a giggle and a wiggle, what a sight to see. What a big see. That little toot was the best gift of the spree. So here's the joyful moments and laughter through the night. What a night, made her to the merry tune. Makes everything feel right. Yo, Merry Christmas to all. Let the good vibes flow. And if there's a little sound, just let the laughter grow.